Deadlock's here again, and this is a dumb thing to do. I've got two sets of handcuffs on, and as you can see, keyways are facing each other, so I can't really get to them, and the double locks are all on. Nobody be stupid and do what I'm doing. It's not a good idea. Okie dokie. Let's find a way in here. That one, I think. Oh. Okay, you have a double lock off. But that thing's too narrow to shim with anything I have to hand. See if we can pick our way out of that. Do you want to go at this after me, Mrs. D?
What?
Do you want to have a go at this?
Have a go at what?
The really dumb thing to do?
Nope, not at all. Because it's a really dumb thing to do.
Good answer. Good answer. Nope, that doesn't fit. Well, I just made it worse. There we go. One down. To then handle it. This would be the kind of situation where it'd be nice to have three hands. Try you again. Of course, that's not going to work, idiot.
What's the matter, you stuck?
It's not over till the fat lady sings.
It's not over till the fat lady opens the cuffs. It's what you're saying.
Over till the fat lady sings. How you're intending getting a key in between the two sets of cuffs?
Breaking your wrist.
For some reason, I believe you. Now hang on, now I've got that off. Oh, that's going to hurt. Oh, no, I can't do it. Bugger you. There we go. Did I swear?
No, I don't think so. You think you said, oh, you bugger.
Is that not a swear?
Yeah, no, bugger's not swear, bugger's it's not.
Oh. Still can't pick it. Oh, now I can get the key in. Now the key fits. And now the key fits in these two. And now I feel a lot more free. Again, don't do that. That's a stupid idea. That's all from us. See you next time.
What?
That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye. I wouldn't have called that a dimple rake if I was naming the rake. I'd have called it a wave rake. Because it looks like waves.
I think it was already a wave rake though.
I don't care. That's what I would have named it.